Okay, as much as I've not fully disassembled the piston, let me weigh this thing. See how much your rotational assembly weighs. So you have your piston, you have your rings, wrist pin, of course, your connecting rod, and your big end cap and nuts, right? So I'm gonna guess it actually feels heavy, but it gets tricky when you have different components. Let me go with a 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 pounds is what I'm guessing here. So let's set that down. 2.6 pounds. Pretty good, if I do say so myself. So that's what your rotational, well, some of the rotational mass is, and I can probably model this in a system considering the piston and what the crankshaft weighs, and you know how much throw you've got, how much of a stroke you've got. So 2.6, that's pretty good.